Welcome to our channel Anglers. If you love this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. As you all know, our channel is about using everyday items for fishing. So today's topic is pop-up rig testing using plastic PET bottles. The materials that you will need are an aquarium, small to medium size, a plastic PET bottle, a few pop-up rigs to test, and a method feeder. Let's start with the first step. You cut the bottle, the hard portion of the neck, so you have something like this. Then you take a glue gun and you make a silicone lip on the edges, inside, not outside, inside, so that it acts like a soft lip on which the hook will snag. Here I have shaped the bottleneck in such a way that it looks similar to a carp called Labiorrhea or Rahu. Firstly, I'm going to show you how a correct rig works. A properly made rig will have a high hookup probability. Let's see that in slow motion. Now let's go to an unbalanced rig. An unbalanced rig will have a very low hook probability. Almost out of 10 times it will hook up once. This trial and error method will help you in rectifying your rig so that you don't have to blindly just tie it and expect it to fail on the river while fishing. Thank you and tight lines.